There on a bench this morning, I have a Bose. Not sure what the model is. AWRCC2. Plugged it in, turns on. FM works.
This is the greatest gift you can.
So the FM seems to work. Let's try a CD in this. Yeah, it's jumping. Could be dirty. Does that every track. Yeah. Okay. What I'm going to do first is I do have a CD cleaner here that I'm going to put in. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned. It says it's a lens cleaner. We'll go through that cycle and see. Could be just that. I'm not sure. Try it again. Here, these sounds really nice. I don't have one of these. There we go. It ejected it. One more time. So this is number 3. Yeah, let's see how this. Still doing it. I'm gonna unplug this and let it cool off a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around. Let's plug this back in. Let's see if this is working. It's still doing it. So the cleaning didn't help. What I think the problem is when it gets warmer, it works better. But it's not really at 100%. So there's an issue here. We're going to stop this. Okay, I'll unplug this to be safe. Let's see how this works. There's one. There's 2. Okay. This is the CD player. Okay. It has 1, 2, 3 ribbon that I'll need to pull up. There, this is out. I'll use this stuff. Trying to be gentle. Okay, so this is the circuitry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check these capacitors. One, two, three, four, five, 6 capacitors. This. Well, this is not too good. This one is bad. Are you kidding me? All these capacitors are bad? This one is the only one that's good. So if you lost your polarization on your capacitors and you don't know which is negative and which is positive, here's how to test it. You put it on, this is the negative, this is the positive. So these are the caps that I've replaced. I didn't replace this one because it was shown that it was good. And I feel that, you know, the more you start poking in there, if you don't really need to, the more chance you can damage a trace. So why bother if it's not damaged and if it's still working? Say we'll leave it. Okay, so now I'm ready to put this back together and we'll put it to the test. That's in. And this one's gonna go here. Yep, I think we have it. This is just gonna go over like this. This is in. And it's powered up.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
It's not skipping. It looks like it's fixed. Before, when I started it and it was cold, they used to not play the CD at all. The radio was playing, but the CD wasn't playing. And now it seems to be working by changing these capacitors. The 22 microfarad were the ones that were giving me the issue. If you check out the ESR, 122 was at 46, the other one was at 23. I believe this one was probably giving me the issue. This one is not far behind. The other ones, I think the machine could have probably lived with it. And yeah, it's pretty cool when you can check things and know that you've changed the right components. But look at the 22, 46 and 23. I believe the 22 microfarad were giving me the issue with this CD on this Bose. And I was gonna show you the reading out of circuit. These are the 22s that I'm checking. It's giving me between 15 and 30. Between 15 and 30. And this machine is picking it up at 23. Let's check this one. This one was the worst one. And my machine here only goes, it's marked 30, and I'm just going to check it. Look at that. I just wanted to show you guys that when you check it with this machine in circuit, it's pretty accurate. This little cheap machine works just as well. Works really good as well. But anyways, folks, all is well and done. My sister is going to be happy to see this again. And she's going to be able to listen to her Christmas music that she so wanted me to fix this right away. And I did for her. I have a lot of respect for her. So I'm happy to call her today, let her know that this is fixed. Anyways, if you like this video, thumbs up. And I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. Big time.